Today we will start, as we had discussed yesterday, we had discussed the hydrocarbons. Again, I am telling it to you, the hydrocarbons. What are these? Repeating that one, and after that we will continue the cyclic hydrocarbon. We had discussed hydrocarbons, right? Hydrocarbons are of two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, right? What do you mean by the saturated hydrocarbon? Having the single bond, and these are of two types: double or triple bond. Right? Such single bond, we will discuss the alkane series, double alkene and triple alkyne. Right? I told you how to memorize the formulas. Double the number. Center one is called double the number. Double the number means if n, then 2n. This is double the number. This is 2 more than the double. Look here, CnH2n, that is a double the number. 2 more than the double, and here it is 2 less than the double. Right? Double the number, 2 more than the double, 2 less than the double. Is that clear? Right? After that, we had discussed the electron dot structure as well as the formulas made by this. Look here again. If I am talking, like we had discussed, that the alkane, alk, in place of the alk, we will use meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, and hept. I am just writing the 7. Right? Now what we will see, if I want to make the n is 3, look carefully, n is 3. Formula is 2 more than the double. If n is 3, yeah, if they are saying to make the propane, meth, eth, prop. Prop means we are talking about the 3. N3, 2 more than the double. 3 ka double, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Right? First of all of you will make this structure. Carbon, but we have to take care, all 4 sides of the carbon, right? We have to fill that one, right? Occupy the, like this, right? Now, single line represent 2 dots if we want to make the electron dot structure. First, you will make like this. After that, you will put the dots. That will be easy for you. Right? After that, this one. Like this. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Suppose if I have to make ethyne, what I am saying, ethyne. या इथीन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इथीन, right? Ith means ith means two, ene means double bond. यानी कि two carbon with double bond, right? What we have to see, complete the four. This carbon 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4, right? Now put the electrons, dot structure. How many lines are here? Two. One line represents two dots. Two line represents four dots. Like this. Is it clear? Carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right? Octet complete. Right? After this, we had discussed cyclic hydrocarbon. Right? Cyclic hydrocarbon means, cyclic means closed shape, right? It is again of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Right? Saturated, we had discussed cyclohexane. We will use the word hex means 6. Right? Hex means 6. And what we will say? Cyclic, that means the closed shape we are making. So cyclohexane word we will use. That means we have to take carbon 6. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had made the 6 carbon. Now what I have to see, right? How many hydrogen or the bonding between the carbon and the other. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Same like this. And when I want to make the electron dot structure, then one line represents the two dots. Now I'm making here only just to clear it. One line, two dots. And two, यहाँ पे भी there are the two lines, two sides. One, one. Right? So you can see. So you can see hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. You can see your count. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 is there, complete. By this, we will make the electron dot structure. The question may become like this: draw the cyclohexane or the electron dot structure of the cyclohexane and draw the electron dot structure of the cyclopentane. Write the formula and draw the structure of the cyclopentane. Pent means 5. That means we have to make 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So line is like this. right? But we have to see all the four sides of the carbon are occupied. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And if the question is like this, draw the electron dot structure. So what we will do, we will put the, और यहाँ पे मैं दोबारा बनाती हूँ, I am making here. Like this. This is the electron dot structure of the carbon. You can shade it, you can put the cross, you can put the dots. That is the electron dot structure. Like this. Is it okay? How we will draw the cyclohexane and cyclopentane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So no need to write down the first. All of you will not write C5 2 more than the double. Don't write like this. Right? I know Riddhi, Samriddhi, you just want to ask that the 5 hai, so 2 more than the double, it should be 12. But I told you to complete the 4 sides of the carbon. That's why I'm telling it to you. We will follow only one thing, that the carbon is occupied by the 4 other sides. Means it's octet, it's shells like electrons complete. So what we will do, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 complete. So we will not write, first we will not write the formula. Formula you will write after that. After the completion or fulfilling its valency. Like, look here. Suppose I have to make unsaturated hydrocarbon. In this unsaturated hydrocarbon, we are having the formula or the, compound is called benzene. Right? Benzene, ene means double bond. What we have to see? Isme carbon, we are having the C6. Suppose I don't know how many hydrogen. We know the formula, but suppose if we don't know the formula, how we will do? Look here. C6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What we have to see? Complete. Like double bond must be, alternative double bonds are there. Right? Now we will see the 4, completion of the 4. This carbon is having 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many hydrogen are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? Write down ethane with molecular formula C2H6. Right? Now you have to tell how many covalent bonds are here. How many covalent bonds are here, you have to find out. Banai? Carbon 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ethane नहीं है फिर, sorry. ठीक है. Right? Now, how many covalent bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Riddhi, look carefully. Covalent bonds means sharing of electrons. Right? 1, here it is sharing. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many covalent bonds are here? 7. Is it clear? Riddhi, clear beta? Okay, fine. By this we can calculate. Now, in test also, I had given one question, homologous series. What do you mean by homologous series? Right? Try to understand. It is a series in which the compounds are arranged in such a way, listen carefully, the compounds are arranged in such a way that according to their chemical properties, similar chemical properties and similar structures. बहुत ध्यान से look here. Write down, a homologous series is a group of organic compound. A homologous series group of organic compounds having similar structure, similar, right? I'm writing here, similar structure, right? And similar chemical property, similar structure and similar chemical properties in which the successive compound, what does it mean? In which successive compounds differ by CH2 group or 14 AMU या 14 U. CH2 group. Ab what does it mean? Look here. I am taking very simple example, alkane series. Look carefully. CH4 is the methane. C2, 2 का double, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6. I am taking the simple example. Look here. Write down their molecular formula. Mass, sorry, molecular mass. Carbon 12, 1 into 4. Right? In the same way, calculate the molecular mass of this. 12 into 2 plus 1 into 6. All of you know now how I had written the 12, because carbon, its atomic number is 6 and the mass number is 12. 12 plus 1 into 4, right? It becomes 16. 12 to the 24 or 6? 30. Right? See, first is 16 and second is 30. The difference between 30 and 16, 10 minus 6, 4, 2 minus 1, 14. Is this point clear? Is it okay? What I had written, a homologous series is a group of organic compound, means arrangement of the compound in a sequence in which having similar structure, alkane, single bond structure, and similar chemical properties. All are following the same properties, but successive compound, successive means first, then second, they differ by 14 AMU, that is 14 U, or CH2 group. How CH2 become? This 14, we are discussing the hydrocarbon chapter, right? Carbon and hydrogen. If I have to divide this 14 into hydrocarbon, look here, this 14, if I have to divide, how we will divide it? Out of 14, How many I will give it to the carbon? Carbon atomic mass is 12. That means 14 minus 12. How many left? 2. 2 I had given to the hydrogen. So it becomes CH2 group. Is this clear? Is this clear? Definition is clear. A homologous series is a group of organic compound in which having similar structure and similar chemical properties, and they differ by CH2 group or 14 AMU. I am giving you one more example. Look here. We had not discussed the alcoholic group, right? I'm just giving the one example of that. It's not compulsory that you have to write that example. Or you can take, okay, methane we had taken or ethane we had taken, है ना? Now I am taking butane and pentane. Here I am taking the butane and pentane. Methane and ethane we had taken. C4H10, C5H12. Right? Look here. 12 is the mass number of carbon. Multiply with 4. 1 into 10. Right? See the difference? 12 minus 8, 4. 1 is given. 6 minus 5, 14. Is it following the definition? That the successive pentane, butane and pentane, they differ by the 14U. And if I have to divide this 14 into hydrocarbon, so out of 14, 12 is given to the one carbon, 2 is left, CH2 group. By this, it becomes the CH2 group. Right? I am giving you one more example, but you had not discussed the alcoholic group. But I am taking one example of alcohols just to clear that it is not following only in the alkane or alkene series. It also, this rule is followed in others also, like the optional, you can say functional group also. I am taking alcohol. C2H5OH, C3H7OH. This is I am writing. I had written the alcoholic group. Now let's see. 2, 12 into 2, 1 into 5, plus 16 plus 1, 24 plus 5 plus 17. Add करो. Right? See the difference? Right. right? 14U. Now divide this 14U in the hydrocarbon CH2. Is it clear now? Whatever we are taking when it is in the homologous series means group of organic compounds. When these are arranged in such a way, they are having the similar structures and similar properties, right? And the successive group differ by the CH2 group or 14 AMU. That is 14 atomic mass unit, and 14U is also written, right?